Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable security notifications in WhatsApp Web on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can have a more seamless and uninterrupted messaging experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web by visiting web.whatsapp.com on your preferred web browser. Step 2. Once you have successfully logged in, locate the More option at the top of the screen and click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the WhatsApp Web settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security option. Step 5. Look for the Show Security Notifications on this computer checkbox and disable it by unchecking the box. By disabling these security notifications, you will no longer be bothered by frequent alerts on your PC. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled security notifications in WhatsApp Web on your PC. Now, you can enjoy a distraction-free messaging experience without any interruptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.